Hey everybody, Chris Maricos here. And have you ever had the feeling that something just has to change? Sometimes I'm working day after day and I just don't feel inspired. And I need to get that inspiration so that I can deliver my program and teach people to the highest quality possible and just be the best version of myself. Sometimes that means that I want to go to a new location. Right now, I'm in Argentina, and it's great to be able to rent a penthouse apartment here and have lots of fun and meet local people while I'm still doing my job and still getting great results for the people that I work with. And that's the amazing thing about packaging your knowledge into a program that you can sell online, irrespective of your personal time. It doesn't require your presence and your personal participation to deliver every single little step of the process. I mean, yes, some steps do require your participation, and that's why you want to be able to work from places that inspire you, so that each of those small moments that you have with your clients, your students, and anyone else who you come into contact with, they get the best of you, right? When I work with people, I want to make sure that they get the best. And so I want to be at my peak when I get on a call with someone or when I'm doing a training with someone. And that means that sometimes I just need to get away. Luckily, by working online and setting up an online business and teaching what I love, I'm able to work from places that inspire me. Sometimes that's Argentina, sometimes that's Russia, sometimes that's another country, and sometimes it's the comfort of my own home back in the United States. But regardless of where I am, I need to be inspired by not only what I do and not only the people I work with, but the place that I work from too. And here at teachingrevolution.com, we help people package their knowledge into a signature program so that they can sell their expertise online, and they can do that from any place that they want. If you'd like to learn more about how that works, click the link below this video. See you there.